Welcome to all of you. In this lecture, we are going to find the transfer function h of s for the normalized Butterworth filter. In the previous lecture, we had gone through the table indicating the normalized Butterworth filter polynomials, and in this lecture, we are going to calculate how we can obtain these polynomials through a proper calculation procedure. Now, to find the transfer function h of s for normalized Butterworth filter, if the order n is odd, then we are going to use the formula sk is equal to 1 at an angle of k pi by n for all the values of k running from 0 to 2n minus 1. If the order n is even, then sk is equal to 1 at an angle of k pi by n plus pi by 2n for all the values of k from 0 to 2n minus 1. So let us start with a order n is equal to 1. So 1 is a odd value. Therefore, this formula is applicable for this particular calculation. Therefore, since order n is equal to 1, it's a odd value. We have the formula sk is equal to 1 at an angle of k pi by n for all the values of k running from 0 to 2n minus 1. Now let us take particularly with n is equal to 1 and make a representation of value of k. Sk will have this formula, and with respect to the range of k is concerned, we are going to substitute n is equal to 1. So n is equal to 1 in the sense 2 into 1 it is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore k will take the values 0 and 1. That means for two values we are going to calculate this sk. Now at k is equal to 0, so S0 will be equal to 1 at an angle of 0 into pi divided by 1. Now expand this in terms of cosine and sine, that is cos of 0. If we make a simplification of this, we get the value 0. So cos of 0 plus j sine of 0. This is equal to 1. At k is equal to 1, S1 is equal to 1 at an angle of 1 pi divided by 1. So this denominator 1 is the order of the filter, and this numerator 1, that is the value of k. So we get cos pi plus j sin pi, that is equal to minus 1. Now two values is the range. The range of k is only 0 and 1. For both the values we have calculated. So these are the two values with respect to the range of k we obtained. Map these two values on the unit circle. That means circle of radius omega c is equal to 1. That's a unit circle. This is the unit circle. On the x-axis we are going to have the sigma, that is, this is the origin. With respect to the origin, positive values, and with respect to the origin, negative real values. This is the y-axis we are going to have, and these are the complex valued representation. Now 1 represents the real positive value, therefore this is S0 location. Minus 1 is negative real value, so this is what its position. This is the left hand pole and this is the right hand pole. Now let us make the further simplification to obtain exactly the h of s. The h of s is given by 1 divided by left hand pole of the multiplication factor pi s minus sk. First identify which are all the values that belongs to left hand poles with respect to this diagram. There is only one, that is S1. So S1 is the only one that belongs to the left hand pole. Which are all comes in the right hand pole, just neglect them. So we are considering only the left hand pole. Therefore, with respect to this representation, we are going to have S minus S1. S1 is a known value, that is equal to minus 1. Substitute minus 1 over here, that will become 1 divided by S plus 1. Therefore, the normalized Butterworth representation for order 1 is h of s is equal to 1 divided by s plus 1. Let us take for order 2. Now the value 2 is a even value. Therefore, to calculate for this, the formula is again going to be little bit different. So for n even, we get sk is equal to 1 at an angle of k pi by n plus pi divided by 2n for all the values of k running from 0 to 2n minus 1. First, identify this length of the sequence k, which are all the values k is going to have. So that is by substituting n is equal to 2. If we substitute n is equal to 2, we get 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore, k will take the value 0, 1, 2 and 3. So that is being represented here. Now at each value of k, calculate sk. So at k is equal to 0, s naught is equal to 1. This 1 is going to be the magnitude. 1 at an angle of 0 into pi divided by 2 plus pi divided by 2 into 2. So that n is being substituted as 2. That will be a constant throughout the calculation. So we get 1 at an angle of pi divided by 4, that is equal to cos pi by 4 plus j sin pi by 4. So we get the value 0.707 plus j 0.707. Similarly, we calculated for k is equal to 1, k is equal to 2 and k is equal to 3, and the corresponding results we obtained. Now map all those values on the unit circle. After mapping, we get S0 at this position, then S1, S2 and S3 in these respective positions. Our consideration is only the left hand poles, therefore which are all the values present on the right hand pole, we just neglect them. So here is the representation. H of s is equal to 1 divided by left hand poles pi of s minus sk. On the left hand poles, we are having S1 as well as S2. Therefore, represent S minus S1 into S minus S2. S1 and S2, both of them are already being calculated. Substitute those values in these locations. After substituting the values, this is what we are going to get, and we need to make the further simplification of it. And after making the complete simplifications, steps are shown over here. 2 further steps are shown over here. So after making these 2 steps and the complete simplification, we get h of s is equal to 1 divided by s square plus 1.414 s plus 1. So this is the normalized Butterworth filter, that is h of s is equal to 1 divided by s square plus 1.414 s plus 1. So in the table, in this location, it is being written as root 2. Root 2, if we make the simplification, it yields 1.414. Let us go through one more problem with respect to the Butterworth analog filter. The statement of the problem: in the normalized magnitude squared response of Butterworth filter, pass band attenuation is 0.5 at frequency 1000 radians per second. Stop band attenuation is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 at frequency 3750 radians per second. First sub question, identify the order of the filter. Second sub question, for the same specifications of passband, what would be the order of the filter to reduce transition region by 50% of the width obtained in 1? Let us go through the solution. So first we need to identify the order of the filter. It has not been asked to identify the final transfer function h of s. We need not to calculate, we need not to make the complete calculation. Only order is required to be calculated. So we can calculate the order and stop at that instant, and we can move on to the second sub question. Let us go through the solution of it. So note down the given parameters. Passband frequency is given 1000 radians per second. Stop band frequency is given 3750 radians per second. Passband attenuation is given 0.95. The unit was not mentioned in the question. Therefore, it must be converted into the dB. So after applying the related formula, we converted it into the dB. We obtained minus 0.2228 dB. Stop band attenuation 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5. The value is given, unit was not given in the question. Therefore, we need to convert that into the dB. So after applying the formula and converting that into the dB, we have minus 43.0103 dB. So once we obtained all these things, now the first sub question, calculate the order of the filter. So we have the formula to calculate order of the filter. So have it, make a substitution, and after simplification we get 4.8601. The substitution step is not shown over here. You need to show that step here. We get 4.8601. Always round it off to its next integer value. Therefore, it is 5. Therefore, the order of the filter is equal to 5. Getting into the second sub question. Order with 50% reduction in transition band. So that means we need to calculate the order so that the transition band with respect to the given data must reduce to the 50%. And if we go through the question, sub question 2 in detail, it has been clearly mentioned that you do not alter the passband value. Keep the passband value as it is, but reduce the transition band by 50%. That means we have left with only the one and only another frequency, that is alter the stop band so that we can reduce the transition band by 50%. So let us start the solution. First, identify how much is the transition band. Transition bandwidth is obtained by stop band minus pass band is the transition band. So substituted and we have got it as 2750 radians per second. They are asking to reduce this width by 50%. Therefore, divide this by 2. That has been done over here. We obtain 1375 radians per second. So this is now the new transition band we require, and at what order of the filter we are going to get this 50% reduced transition band, that we need to calculate. Right? So now calculate the new stop band value, that is omega 2 dash. That will be equal to the pass band plus the new transition band. We obtain the new stop band value. So now this is going to be the new stop band value. So again I am repeating, it is clearly mentioned in the question that you keep the pass band value as it is, reduce the transition band and then find out the order. So that means only possibility left with is we can alter the stop band value. Therefore, we altered the stop band value and kept the pass band value omega 1 as it is. So now this is going to be the new stop band value 2375 radians per second. Now calculate the order of the filter. Omega 1 is known, omega 2 dash we are going to make use of and calculate the order. So n is equal to the formula. So omega 2 dash. Now we have substituted all the values. The substitution step is not shown. You need to show that step. After calculation, we get 7.4265. Always round it off to next integer value, that is equal to 8. Therefore, the order n, the new order n will be equal to 8. That means if order becomes 8, the transition band will get reduced by 50% with respect to the sub question 1. So that is what I told in the beginning of the previous lecture. As the order will keep increasing, the transition band will keep decreasing, and the shape has been proved in this case. Thanks for joining.